Let's make this white gray shark. Okay, if you are new here, like to see more awesome tutorials on Blender, subscribe. You'll not regret. Okay, let's start. Let's delete everything. I'll put the segment to 12 and rings to 8. I'll catch these vertices. Now I'll exclude it. Now scale. Now I'll select these to exclude it. I'll select this middle. I'll adjust it all now one by one. Add a loop cut. Now adjusting it. Then dissolve it. Now I'll cut it. Select face. Now scale all. On face, select on proportional editing tool, making the mouth of the shark. Now I'll try and make the shape of the shark. Now adjusting, face select, rotating it, placing it proper. Now I'll do the tail part. Face select. Dissolve all these edges, all three sides of the tail. Now making some cuts, pressing space to confirm. Now delete this face of the tail also. Select all the edges, then press F. You get this curve for the tail. Now making some cuts. Now adjust it all. Add a loop. Now adjust. Let's do the fin one by one. Let's make the fin thin. Add a loop. Let's do the down fin. Make it thin. Making some tweets to look like a fin. Now I'll do the same to the other fin. Now let's do the big fin. Now the other two fin. Now rotate for the fin to come exact, but for now just making the fin thin. Now rotating back. Add subdivision surface modifier. Adjust the mouth. Adjust the body. Now I'll make it thin. Now the tail. Okay, so we are done here. Thanks for watching. For now, see you in the next part.